welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to extract PDF highlights on into Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply extract PDF highlights into Notion, all you gotta do is simply go to Notion. Once you are in your Notion, you need to get logged in into your account. Now to extract PDF highlights into your Notion, you need to use a dedicated tool like Readwise or Web Highlights Chrome extension for seamless integration, as direct PDF annotation isn't built in. Alternatively, you can manually copy or paste from your PDF readers or use Notion's built-in PDF import for basic conversion. But the highlight data often needs third-party help for easy syncing, with Readwise being a popular bridge for various sources. So this is how you can simply extract PDF highlights into Notion. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.